Creating high-quality 3D assets has always been one of the most time-consuming parts of filmmaking, editing, and VFX workflows. This tutorial is sponsored by Tripo. Tripo is an AI-driven 3D creation platform available via web and Discord. It focuses on delivering accurate shapes, sharper details, and clean topology, reducing the need for manual fixes. Tripo supports text to 3D, image to 3D, and multi-view 3D generation, making it suitable for both professionals and beginners. To begin, visit the Tripo 3D website and log into your account. Once logged in, open the 3D workspace where you'll find ready-to-use templates and generation tools. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly. Tripo allows you to generate 3D models directly from text prompts. Go to Generate 3D Models and select Text to 3D. Describe your model clearly. Now wait for the generation. As you can see, the image is ready. Set the mesh resolution to Ultra for maximum detail and click Generate. Tripo offers two modes, Standard and Ultra. Standard is ideal for general use, while Ultra delivers higher detail and sharper textures, making it perfect for close-up shots and professional. After the generation of 3D model, go to the texture settings and add its texture by doing this. As you can see, our 3D model from text prompt is looking awesome. Tripo can also generate 3D models from images or sketches. Upload a reference image. Apply the same settings and click Generate. The AI interprets the structure of the object rather than copying the image, resulting in a detailed and accurate 3D model. Multi-view 3D generation is ideal for complex objects. Upload multiple images from different angles. For this, I'm going to choose Iron Man. Keep the suggested settings and generate a highly accurate and detailed 3D model. Go to Texture tab and generate its textures too. As you can see, the results. Now I'm going to tell about the features of retopology and segmentation. Segmentation allows color and material customization. Auto rigging prepares models for animation and export to Blender, Unreal Engine, or After Effects. Retopology optimizes geometry and improves smoothness, making models production ready. Go to Topology and change it to Triangle to increase the smoothness of the model. Now wait for it. As you can see, it becomes more smoother than before. For exporting the model, select your model and click on Export. Now, if you want it for After Effects, then export with OBJ format, as I'm doing. Tripo 3.0 significantly reduces the time and cost required to create high-quality 3D models. Assets that once took hours can now be generated in minutes. Sign up using my invite link to get 500 extra credits. The link applies the invite code automatically. I've also shared a 60% off pro discount code, which you enter at checkout. Thanks to Tripo for sponsoring this tutorial.